Hi guys, I am Dr. Rajat and with me I have Dr. Barkha. She is practicing clinician practicing in Bangalore. She joined the clinical training in endodontics. Yes, how was it training here for 2 days? What exactly have you covered and what have you learned in 2 days? Abhi tak?
I have learned about the rotary instruments and hence protapers and how to do a proper assist opening and how to do navigation of the canals.
I think you're already practicing
Yeah.
and basic and endo in
Yeah,
your
I
clinic
was
for
doing the
quite some time.
manual from past 4 to 5 years minimum, and I wanted to do rotary instruments also to use in my practice.
So what made you to join from the basic rotary endo that you were already practicing from advanced?
Because I wanted to upgrade myself and I wanted to go to Rotary to make my practice easy and convenient for the patient also and for myself as well.
So talking about pro tapers, we have worked with path files, we've worked with different pro gliders and pro finders. So what exactly do you think that glide path makes a lot of difference?
Yes, it does make a lot of difference.
So talking about different systems, talking about different path files, we've just done the basic and I hope that all these 2 days were quite fruitful to you. How is it working here at this institute?
It was really great working here and I'm really glad that I joined this institute because I was another option as well, but I'm happy that I selected this one too.
So I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And I wish that you are going to really do very well.